It's been a while since we've done an in-depth get ready with me, so let's do one together today. I've been obsessing over the Complexion Crush from Ulta Beauty. This is the perfect medium coverage, lightweight foundation. I've been mixing together 2 shades of the Ilia True Skin Serum Concealer for my under eyes because I don't have a perfect shade in their line, but this works very well. This is my current favorite. It's very glowy, but still offers a good amount of coverage to the skin. The Persona Dreamstick in Dune is one of my favorite cream bronzers. It has a really beautiful warm shade, so if you're looking for a contour, it's not going to be this, but if you want an all-over bronzing, you need to pick this up. I've been setting certain areas of my face, like my under eyes and parts of my T-zone, just because it is so freaking hot out. I think it's 98 degrees today. This is the new M Cosmetics powder bronzer, and I've just kind of been setting a little bit more of the face with this because, again, so hot. My all-time favorite cream brush, this is the shade Power Hour from Tower 28. It looks so beautiful, so sun-kissed, and don't forget the nose. The Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter is my Desert Island product. I use it almost every single day. It is my favorite highlighter. I love to use it as a primer. I use it everywhere. So glowy and non-glittery. The Hourglass Unlocked Mascara is a tubing mascara. It has a very large synthetic wand. I really like it. This is my favorite faux freckle maker. It's from the brand Salty Face. They also make self-tanner. You do not need to spend a lot of money on a brow pencil. This is the L'Oreal Brow Definer. It works just as well as the high end. And then the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter is worth the money 100%.